Wow, this is for our lunch.
Mama, look.
Ano board those ay?
Ah?
Hi guys. Today we're gonna stay here in Lola Alma's house.
For how many days?
3 days
Oh
and
no.
2 nights.
Wow, with the bulirit.
Look at my pool pillow.
Wow. Look oh, ang cute ng mga design ni Lola Alma.
Mama, look at this one.
So cute.
Look at this one.
And this is the Christmas tree of Lola Alma. So nice. Ang ganda naman ng Christmas decor niya.
Look si Kuya Uno.
Yeah, just looking lang, not playing with it, okay?
I want to look.
Hmm?
I want to look too.
Who's this?
Si baby.
Si Baby
Look,
Jesus.
he's gonna move.
This is Mama Mary. Ah, wala si
Ano yun?
si Joseph. Si Joseph.
This one.
Okay. So cute. And these three kings. This one. Who's this?
This one. He has a beard. This one.
Beard.
This one.
This
Look,
is the
he has,
angel.
look at this. He has a beard.
Beard.
Saan yung star?
Wow! Dine-decorate nila yung Christmas tree.
Lots of fishes. These are a lot of balls. Look at what there's. See, mommy. The ball.
What's that?
I will put them. Let me have them.
Hi.
Just take. Put this one here. Put this here.
Wait, let's review first. So, first is what? To make the shawarma. How many orders do you have for shawarma?
I'm gonna make one for me, one for Tito Soy, and one Tito Soy here, and he will make leles also.
Okay, so what's the step in making shawarma?
These cuties will make beef shawarma for tonight.
What's the first step? What's the step?
First step, Ton is... What's the first step, Ton?
The sauce.
The sauce, and then...
Let's put the sauce in here.
And then...
Okay.
Followed by...
Followed by this one. What's this? It's cheesy.
What
cheesy,
about me?
disgusting.
Sabi ni Lele, what about me?
Oh, you stand there. We will.
So, siya na lang talaga.
Joshua, hi, ay.
Lele.
Joshua, ay.
No, ayusin mo ah.
Ano yan, Le?
I'll make my own.
And then we put the. Here I have the spoon. Wait. You get another spoon there. I'll explain.
Malinis yan.
Spoon down.
Wait, malinis.
Spread it. And this is the step by step. This. Nice. I think you. No, I cannot. No. Can I get another spoon?
Yeah. You go do
Joshua, hi, yay.
Guys, what's the order for tonight?
It's shawar kalbo. Shawarma kalbo.
So, what's the step, Kuya Ton?
Aga.
First
Oh, ayusin mo na.
Ma, what's next?
Careful
hot
with
yan,
the
ah.
beef, ah.
The beef is so indoor.
Careful with
It
the
looks like
beef.
an indoor.
That's-
It looks like an indoor.
That's bagis.
The beef is too
Bagis.
Bagis.
Spoon for the beef. Okay.
I think I'm gonna
Okay,
spread
after
it
the
so
yogurt, it's the beef.
Wala. Ah, nandun sa upuan. Andito kami sa Lucinda.
We're gonna
Magpe-play
play
sila. Badminton.
This is mommy's racket. Trick-or-treating! Today is trick-or-treating! That's
Sarap sa'yo, malamig pa na.
Pogi naman niya to.
Sa December.
Dito lang kayo. Lele. Lele, say hi, good morning. Lele, say good morning.
Dancing like you.
It's Armen.
Oh, sarap.
Uy.
Kain na po, mga
Double
kaibigan.
flakes and egg. Okay, mag-trick or treat si Lele. Oh, come on. Go ka doon sa door. Mag-knock-knock ka doon sa door ni Kuya Tonton. Mag-knock-knock siya doon. Then, knock-knock ka muna. Trick or treat. Excited si Kuya mo. Knock-knock. Trick or treat.
Trick-or-treat.
Wow!
You got a lot of prizes.
Wow, you say thank you, ah.
Thank you.
Oh, come on. No.
I got them. I got them.
Here. eh. Naka mo na. You say trick or treat.
Doon ka muna, doon ka.
Oh, naka trick or treat. You say.
Trick or treat. Hi.
Wow.
That's a lot of that.
Wow. You say.
Thank you. Where's someone in the door? Yes. You have a lot. Mine is the twist. Mine is the twist. Mine is
Wow.
Mine is the twist.
Ha?
Ito, bunda.
Ay, later pa. Later mag-bulldog tayo, okay?
Because it doesn't look healthy.
Yeah.
Dance.
Dali. Smile kayo, smile. Dali, smile. Uy. Wow, so beautiful. Dali.
Lele.
Oh, Lele, smile ka muna. Smile.
Lele, smile.
Here.
Lele. Look at tatanay. Look. Smile. Hindi ganyan. Le, ganyan lang. Le, ganyan lang. Yan.
Here. No.
Ano yung tawa ng witch?
I know.
Lola.
We're gonna bake some cookie. Okay.
Uno, ano yung mga ingredients?
Guys, wait lang.
Chocolate customer.
Wait, listen.
Hi, guys.
I'm the customer.
Listen first.
I'm the customer. Listen.
Duncan.
Guys, hindi na tayo maglalagay ng chocolate chips doon sa taas kasi nagiging messy. So, almonds na rin yung natin.
Oh, okay.
I think you.
Nagiging messy.
Here we see Kalbo. Why?
Daddy, I'm the customer.
You're the customer?
Yeah.
Why didn't you...
Sige, ito yung kuya Soy.
I'm the customer. Tita, can I?
Matulog!
Yeah.
Tulog!
Lele, matulog ka na doon.
No, I want big.
Go!
Mami, awabing. You want me?
Dali na.
Muna sa instruction.
Kuya, ganito.
Kuya.
Butter.
Yeah? What's
Careful ka
this?
sa butter kasi soft yan. Use the spatula sa pag-pour. And then mix mo yung
Mama, what's
butter,
this?
okay?
Nasa...
With the sugar.
Like the sugar. What is this?
Sugar.
Like sugar beet. Are you ready, guys?
I'm gonna
So what are you baking, guys?
Chocolate chip cookies! Yes! Chocolate chip
Parang yan, vlogging eh. Yan, kulangot.
Wash hands first. With soap.
Wash your hand. Ton. Wash your hand.
Si Toto, nilupa na naman. Pati na bumagay niya kulangot.
Game.
Oh, go.
Tapain pogi.
So what are you baking, guys?
Today we're making chocolate chip cookies.
Okay, what are the ingredients?
Flour, butter, brown sugar, sugar also mixed, eggs, almonds, and chocolate chip, and vanilla
Extract.
extract.
Okay, go. Go with the
Flow.
water first.
I think the butter is
There, put it in the bowl.
How about you, Tommy Cheryl? What will you do?
The winner. Yung metallic bowl.
Let's go.
Metallic bowl.
Yes. Bebe, ito, bakit kayo?
Use the spatula.
Gusto ko yung malambot yaman.
Use the
spatula.
spatula.
Wow, soften na yung butter.
How is this one? Oh no, oh my gosh, that's so big. Disgusting.
So use the spatula. Make sure all the butter is in
Where did the butter
the
go?
bowl.
Don't stop holding. What is that? That's a lot of butter. Why do you have two butters?
Yeah.
This is the most hygienic
chocolate chip.
chocolate chip.
Why do you don't need butter? And
So,
then
ito naman. Hi, guys.
So, yung mga adult na yun nag-continue. Ayan, ang cookies natin. With
Cookies.
almonds. Chocolate chip.
With a lot of... With a lot... Na magtaka ko. Pindalas din eh. Hindi katapa mo, nakatamo ka, Judge. Ayan.
Cheese.
Hindi mo yung ato.
Hi. Ayun naman yung dalawa. Ano le? What?
I just all around What's this for?
Huh?
Listening, this is an egg.
No, it's just Jesus.
Egg.
Not egg. Say hi, vlog. Who's this?
They're wearing some sleepers.
Who is this?
Papa Jesus.
No.
Joseph.
This one.
Mama Mary.
This one.
Baby Jesus. No, he's not wearing clothes.
Yeah, because she's still baby. He's still a baby.
What's the door doing yung white thing here?
That's a white cloth. Uy, sarap.
Kaya ba? Tsaka paras. Oh, Lele. Dito, ay, rugo na. Magpimpangan yan. Oh, yan. Yan.
Yan. So
Ay, kunwari talagang mabait sila. 1, 2.
Layo naman kayo, Jo!
Where's your pillow?
Where's the pillow?
Where did you...
Me.
What about me?
1, 2, 3. Lelo ka ta. Ay, siya ka, di batol. Ay, alang masalit.
Bala. Ha?
What did the tip?
Ayun yung tatlo.
I will come to ice and then I'll find you.
Okay, sige.
John, Jeje, Juno.
Ano na si Juno? Hi! Kasama namin si Mother today. Ah.
Hi vlog, nandito kami sa King Hacienda.
Okay, we're gonna eat na breakfast. Hi, Kuya Ton.
Say hi to the vlog, Don.
Hi.
Look at the camera. We say hi.
Hi.
Lele, we're going.
Ebon.
Tita, wife.
What's our menu today? Ah, hindi ko ba nilabas? Labas mo yung vibes mo. Wow, yummy. Say good morning. Lele, say good morning.
It's menu, ah. Tara.
Hi.
Hi.
Okay, kain mo na ano.
Take picture mo.
Yummy. Galing ni Uno. Oh, grabe. How about Lele? Blow na.
Uy, galing.
Para nakita na tayo, Koy. Hi, dito kami sa Mary Grace. Here's Lele.
Peace bomb. Your best friend.
Guys,
Ako ba?
Game. How's the inside mother, mommy? Wow, hindi ka nagsasalita.
Ang ano doon, description, very straightforward. Yung lasa niya. Ayun, so ko na may pendalami ako.
Hello? Okay. Okay, bye. Balik sila, Soy. Cancel yung appointment nila. Kasi sayang yung oras siya kung uwi pa siya eh. Tayo na niyan nila sila.
Ayun, maluwag siya. Ay, karamela. Bumalik na ulo yung station. Ali, yan, Ali. Printer ko sa akin, doktor. Kaya, binigyan. Ganun siya.
Hindi, uwi pa siya.
Ayaw, ulo pa siya.
Sarap, no?
Look.
Budol! Nako,
Uy, nakasave si
walang
Barbie.
customer po. Sila sa inyo niyan. Yan, dyan ka lang. Yan, dito na lang tayo.
Uy, this is slime. Ano yan?
Yung sa kanya.
Oh, ano to? Kuha naman ito. Ano yan?
It's my toy.
Can I see? What's this?
Hi guys! Nandito kami sa aking live.
Lala.
I got my toy.
Ha?
I got my toy. Look.
Wow. Who bought your toy? Lala, who bought your toy?
It's a nine.
Oh, what will you say kay tatanay?
It's a nine.
Dito.
Thank you, Tata Nine.
Lele, what are you doing?
Blanket.
Can you hold the hand of Lele? Oh, what are you saying a while ago, Ton? Why are you holding the hand of Lele?
Because he will get some.
Ha?
Because she will get one.
Aw, so sweet. Bumibili silang speaker sa bahay. Lele.
Sound check. Sound check. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, you say bye-bye vlog na.
Bye bye. Bye bye vlog.
Okay, alis na si Kuya
Bye-bye.
Tonton.
Kiss, Kuya Tonton.
Oy, kiss.
Tonton, ading. Kiss.
Bye-bye, Ton.
I'm going home.